Jamaica is unique and beautiful. Come and take a tour with me. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So right now, I am in cool Mandeville, Manchester. I am on the New Green Road, so I'm gonna make a right turn. Yeah man, so you're in Mandeville, you can feel a different type of weather in Mandeville. You have some nice residential area in Mandeville. So always remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Yeah man, Manchester is a very nice place. So all the persons that want to retire and come home to Mandeville, it's a very nice place. Nice weather also in Mandeville. So I am on the New Green Road. Can take you all to Mandeville town. So the direction I'm traveling now is the south direction. So I'm gonna make a right turn and I'll take you all into Knowles Road. You can see the beauty of Mandeville, Manchester. Also, you have some nice houses in Mandeville. So look at the beauty of Knowles Road. As you can see, house for sale on your left. So if you're interested in any house in Knowles Road, Mandeville, Manchester, you can check it out. Yeah man, the kids them are having fun, you know. So when you're in Knowles Road, it's about roughly about 7 minutes drive to Mandeville town. Not very far away from the Mandeville town. So yes, my people, you have a lot of turn off in Mandeville. So if I make a right turn, it will take you on to McKinley Road. So look at the beautiful parish, Manchester. So when you're on Knowles Road, it can take you right back to Brumalia Road. So we're gonna make a left turn, will take us onto West Road. So you know in Mandeville you have a golf court in Mandeville, and also you have the Roxborough Museum, and also a mud lake in Mandeville. So on your left we have the Stanley Close. If you make a right turn, we'll take you right back to Marshall Spen on the highway, Winston Jones Highway. So my GPS is telling me now I'm on Brumalia Road. So if you make a left turn, it will take you all to Brumalia Heights. If you make a right turn, it will take you on to Lillian Close. So yes, people, I will take you all right back to Cobblestone on Brumalia Road. That's where a lot of persons come and do their X-ray, them scan and everything in Mandeville, Manchester. I am very close to Mandeville Golf Club. So I'm also heading to Caledonia Road. Caledonia Road is about 950 miles away. On your left, you have the Garden Road. So I'm gonna make a right turn. It will take you all to Manchester Club. This is where you find the golf club in Manchester. Gonna just take a fast tour down there. So we are now traveling in the west direction in Mandeville, Manchester. So thank you guys for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So as you can see the sign, welcome to the Mandeville Golf Club. So you can play your tennis. Look at the beauty, and right over there you have the Gulf View Hotel. So keep on watching, guys. I know a lot of persons came to Mandeville. If anything, if you're in Manchester, you ever get sick or you're in some medical condition and you want to do some scan and anything, we're gonna take you right to Cobblestone. It's right on Brumalia Road. Yes, people, is your True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So yes, some people, just take the time to know about Jamaica. It's just some positive vibes. So we're heading on the main back to Brumalia Road. So we're gonna make a right turn. We take you all to Cobblestone. And right across from the golf club, you have the sophisticated auto brokers. That is where you can go and wash your cars. So I'm gonna make a right turn. We'll take you all to Cobblestone. So in Cobblestone you have a professional center. So we're still traveling the east direction in Mandeville, Manchester. So I will take you right to Manchester Shopping Center. So we're now on Caledonia Road. So this is the Manchester Shopping Center. So thank you all for watching True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.